How you doing, buddy?
Hey, Jeremy, how you doing?
Excellent, excellent. Listen, we need some fresh blood for a video, so how about you come on into the boardroom and we'll unbox a Canadian set.
A video?
Me? Video. You.
Oh, yes.
People are tired of me and Jordan and Josh and Jason. They're not really tired of Janet, but they're tired of the rest of us, so I think it's your turn.
Yes.
Trial by fire, buddy. Let's go.
All right.
Hi guys, my name is Francis and I'm one of the newest members of the Rapido family. I am also an N scaler and we are invading the Rapido headquarters. Anyways, I'm here today because we're going to be doing an N scale unboxing of the Canadian. So without any further delay, why don't we get started? So let's start with the beautiful bookcase designed in both English and French, CP maroon scheme. And let's open it up and take a look. So what you'll do is you'll be sliding the bookcases out of this nice sleeve. Just lift up the lid. You'll notice a little manual. And let's go through the manual first. You'll have both the English and the French manuals, which are very detailed, including your car orientation information. It gives a little bit of history and also how to use your easy peasy lighting kits, which are included in the cars. So let's put the manual aside and let's take a look at these beautiful cars. When you're looking at your bookcase, you'll notice that there's a foam insert. Just remove this little foam lid and it'll expose your cars. Now in bookcase number 1, you'll have your baggage car, 2 coaches, a Skyline dome, and your diner. And then a bunch of little poly bags, which are, I believe, stirrups for the end of the cars. Now onto the second bookcase, which contains your 2 Chateau sleepers, your 2 Manor sleepers, and my personal favorite, the park car. Let's take the park car out just to take a quick look at all the fine detail that we have installed on these. Okay, so we have the Yoho Park, and you can see all the fine little details, the etched grab irons, the underbody detail, and then the nice metal wheels that we have installed. Now, all of these cars come fully lit, and oh man, they are amazing. Okay, so now with the bookcase out of the way, let's move on to the 3-packs. Okay, so this is a 3-car add-on. You will receive a coach, a Manor, and a Chateau. Okay, so let's carefully slide. You'll have 3 jewel cases lined up like that, including a decal sheet, which we carefully put in each box. We actually have the nameplates underneath the clamshell, so you have to remove your car from the box. Okay, and then lift up this little white bottom half of the clamshell, and you'll notice in the little crevice that you'll have the nameplates for the decals. Okay, so just so everybody knows, and included with each one is your own little easy peasy magic wand. Now the next one we're going to go through is what I like the most about this run, the Prestige. Okay, so these are like the rebuilt cars, super modern with the big windows. You get 2 rebuilt Chateaus and then one of the rebuilt park cars. And then another portion of this release is the single Skyline cars. Again, it comes with a decal sheet, which is located underneath the white clamshell. All the fine details. The domes are also lit. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. Please check your local stores for availability because we are sold out. Thank you.